Good afternoon, ABR Market Watch viewers. Today, we see India's stock market inching upward, buoyed by auto and consumer stocks, anticipating potential tax cuts at the upcoming GST Council meeting. The Indian rupee also strengthens against the US dollar, while bond yields and swap rates maintain a steady trend. The market is exhibiting cautious optimism as we await the GST Council's decision, which could significantly impact consumption-related stocks like autos and consumer goods. Notably, 14 out of 16 sectors show gains today, with the metal index leading the charge, bolstered by China's steel price recovery plan. However, IT stocks face a setback due to 6 consecutive months of US manufacturing contraction. Analysts foresee a rebound in the metal sector, but caution that Indus Towers' international expansion may face challenges due to currency fluctuations and sustainability concerns. Today, manganese ore producer MOIL jumps 6.4%, following strong production growth in August, while PNC Infratech gains 3% after winning a contract from the Airports Authority of India. JM Financial has revised its investment strategy, becoming bullish on consumption stocks and turning negative on infrastructure. This shift is based on the government's proposed GST cuts, income tax reductions, and the RBI's interest rate cuts and liquidity measures, which are expected to boost consumer spending. However, they anticipate revenue losses from these same proposals could constrain fiscal space in the infrastructure sector. As we look ahead, Indian markets remain tentative, awaiting the GST Council meeting results for potential tax cuts on various goods. 17 out of 18 major sectors advance, with mid-caps and small caps showing slight increases. The proposed GST reforms are seen as a growth catalyst, potentially revising earnings estimates for FY 2026 and FY 2027. In the tech sector, Netweb Technologies surges by 7%, securing a 17.34 billion rupee order for servers based on NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture. Meanwhile, the crypto market experiences a significant sale with discounts up to 80%. Keep an eye out for this opportunity as the offer ends soon. As always, stay tuned to ABR Market Watch for the latest market updates and expert insights. Happy investing!